from a violet sky. Streetlights flicker like they know why. Your shadow dances on broken walls. I hear your whisper when the crow calls. Cold wind breathes through an empty room. Perfume lingers like dying bloom. Every heartbeat starts to crawl closer to the edge. When the crow calls, I try to run, I try to hide, but you were waiting on the other side. When the crow calls my name, I feel your fire in the rain, like a ghost inside my veins, singing love and singing pain. When the crow cries at dawn, I know you're never really gone. In the dark where we belong, I hear you calling, calling. Velvet tears on a shattered throne. King of nothing, I stand alone. Your touch still burns beneath my skin. A silent war I'll never win. Black feathers fall like a lullaby. Every truth wrapped in a lie. Heaven's closed, but hell stands tall, and it opens wide. When the crow calls, I see your face in electric blue. Every dream leads me back to you. When the crow calls my name, I feel your fire in the rain, like a ghost inside my veins, singing love and singing pain. When the crow cries at dawn, I know you're never really gone. In the dark where we belong, I hear you calling, calling. Purple night, don't you leave me without your light. Every feather falls like sin. Pull me down, pull me in. When the crow calls my name, I surrender to the flame. Let it wash away the pain, let it drive me half insane. When the crow cries my soul, I don't wanna let you go. In the darkness, losing control, I hear you calling, calling. Calling. Midnight fades, but you remain, just a whisper in the rain. And every night I hear it all, your voice